Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Target app saved items to new device step by step clearly. Open the Target app on your original device. Log in to your Target account if prompted. Navigate to the saved items section in the app. Take note of the items you wish to transfer. Now, open the settings on your original device. Locate the option to sign out of your account. Sign out of your Target account. On your new device, download the Target app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Target app on your new device. Select the option to log in. Enter your Target account credentials and sign in. Once logged in, go to the Saved Items section again. Your saved items should now appear on your new device. If the items do not show up, try refreshing the app. You can also check for any available updates for the app. If everything is set, you can proceed to shop for these items easily. Ensure your new device is properly connected to the internet for a smooth experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.